It was really close. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Mike.
I'm Claire.
And this is Better Meals and Not That. What is it again?
Better Homes, Better Meals.
Better Meals.
Happy Easter. This is episode 11.
We didn't know how to do
That's
it, so that is how we were doing it.
That's
from
how
now
we
on.
decided to do that.
You're double digits.
21. We could have done like this for Easter.
All right, bring it back. It is Easter. Today, Claire, we are going to be making what I call adult Easter eggs. Ooh. By adult, I mean
Deviled eggs.
deviled eggs out of this month's issue of Better Homes and Gardens magazine.
What kind of deviled eggs are we going to be
Ooh,
making?
we got a few different options. Jalapeno deviled eggs.
Ooh, jalapeno poppers.
Oh, no, not poppers, deviled eggs.
Oh, jalapeno popper deviled
Oh my
eggs.
god, they are called jalapeno popper deviled eggs. Then we're gonna do the everything deviled eggs. Or like an everything bagel.
All right. The third one is a ranch-inspired deviled egg that you can have with your ranch-inspired gin and
Gin
tonic.
and tonic, flashback to episode 1.
We're bringing it full circle from
Bringing it
1
back, bringing it
to
back,
11.
bringing it around. I don't know why this is around, but it is.
Neither of us have ever made deviled eggs before.
I know, I've eaten a ton of them, but have not made it. I'm kind of excited.
But we already decided that we were gonna hard boil everything and then peel everything so you didn't have to wait and watch us do that.
That would have taken a while.
It did take a
So
while.
we did cheat a little bit and do some things ahead of time. We are gonna start with the everything deviled egg.
So for that, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of dry minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of dry minced onion,
That's a lot of tablespoons.
1 teaspoon of sea salt flakes, 8 hard-boiled eggs, a 1/4 cup of mayo, and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. And so the first thing you're gonna do is use all of those spices, the toasted sesame, the poppy seeds, the minced everything. You're gonna put that all together into a little bowl.
Look at this little bowl of mixture we made.
But if you don't wanna make it,
Just contact your local Huracan bank. Shout out to Helsha Bierman for having her own.
Huracan Bank, everything bagel seasoning.
Get yours today. Step 1, Claire.
Step 1, we need to have these 8 hard-boiled eggs, and then we need to take the yolks out. Oh, perfect!
Pop it right out.
Easy peasy! Just pop it out.
Ready? Pop.
All right, so we've halved 8 eggs, so now we have 16 halves.
Yep. And our bowl of yolks.
Next step is we're grabbing a fork
To mash it with.
to mash it.
Mash it up.
Then you're gonna add your 1/4 cup of mayo and your 1 teaspoon
Mash it.
of yellow mustard. You mash, I'll measure. And then little teaspoons.
We're real chefs. We're
We're
eyeball.
real chefs.
We're
We
eyeball.
measure with our heart. That's why my heart is so big. Full of measures.
That's why her hair is so big. It's full of secrets.
1/4 cup mayo
Check.
in the bowl.
Oh, wait.
Is that a teaspoon?
I think that whole thing's a teaspoon.
I think that whole thing's a tablespoon.
Well, then what's the big one?
Is that not a big one?
No, just do it a little. There we go. Maybe a little more. There we go. Same thing. Pepper. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Stop.
Or do that.
Stir it up.
Stir it up, Mike. We're gonna put this all in the corner of this bag.
We're just gonna layer it in, as Claire says.
Layer it.
Layer it in.
Ah!
There's probably a much easier way to do this.
You mix it in the bag.
Should we have mixed it in the bag? Comment below.
We are going to pipe this like I
Pipe
say.
it. Pipe it like it's hot. So
Call me the pie
spoon
piper.
or pipe yolk mixture into egg white half.
These are our first ones ever. So,
Ooh, those look good.
yeah.
We're sprinkling tar like
Wiggling.
it is in there closer. I can't see it. Oh, look at that. Everything. Look at that. The everything deviled egg. Cheers.
You're a 1 by 5?
Yum. I do like the everything flavor.
That's so easy.
Delicious.
That's so easy.
That was
That's
so
great.
easy. The longest would have been making the hard-boiled eggs. Delicious.
Would have been.
Easy treat to do.
I made them.
Thank you, Claire, for making the eggs ahead of time, but I did do the seasoning ahead of time.
Yeah. Next eggs.
Next up, ranch deviled eggs to go with your ranch gin and tonics with the milk water. And now we are making the ranch deviled eggs.
For this recipe, you need 6 hard-boiled eggs, and we're gonna have those, which we've already done. So we've got 12 eggs.
We've mashed the yolks.
We've already done that.
Done.
We're getting really good.
Yep, we're
at
saving you
deviled
viewing
eggs.
time.
We're gonna need a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced green onions.
Check.
1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro.
Check.
1 dry ranch dressing packet. Of course, you gotta go with Hidden Valley.
Woo! Awesome! It's Valley Ranch! HBO!
Because.
They're the ranchiest of all ranches.
Mm-hmm.
You can, optional, add 4 garlic stuffed green olives. Do you like olives, Mike?
I'm not an olive fan, but whatever you would like to do.
Like
Comment below if you are an olive fan.
olives. He's thinly slicing the green onion.
There's a lot of people that don't like cilantro.
Do you?
I don't mind it.
I don't have that gene that makes it soapy or whatever. I'm gonna measure out the 1/4 cup of the yogurts. I've been seeing these trends. Actually, I don't know if they're trends or if it's just my feed now, but have you seen the savory yogurt bowls? They look fabulous.
My favorite.
Yeah, the Fage.
The Fage. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Check. Onion. Check.
Check, sprinkle it in, Mike.
Cilantro.
Check. And the the ranch mix remix. This feels like a lot for the ratio. What do we think? Should we go half?
Let's do half.
Oh, and we need a tablespoon of olive oil. So olive oil wasn't listed on the ingredients, but it's listed in the recipe instructions. So you also need that.
So read the directions.
Always read the directions
Don't just assume the
before you
ingredient
start
list.
a recipe for sure.
Unless you're a professional
Like us.
like us, where we like to add up.
Add up.
Should we whip up a batch of our famous milk wash
wash
ranch
gin?
inspired gins and tonics?
No.
Then I'm an old bag.
Oh, okay. There's like a weight in there. That's what it feels like.
Now we're gonna pipe. I must say, my piping skills are pretty slick. Cheers to the ranch hard-boiled egg.
You know, I'm glad we didn't put the whole thing of ranch seasoning in there.
It definitely calls for 1 whole packet.
It definitely does not.
You do not need 1 whole packet.
Don't do that. Do not do that.
It's very ranchy.
It's too ranchy. I mean, I like ranch.
A little too ranchy. Good, but a little too ranchy.
We've decided
We're doing it.
we're doing the 3rd one.
Third deviled egg option is jalapeno popper deviled eggs.
We're gonna need a 1/2 cup of shredded pepper jack, and we're going with the Waiawega.
Waiawega.
The local, the good, the best. 12 hard-boiled eggs.
Check.
I'm wondering why in the magazine, really quick, every recipe calls for a different amount of eggs. 12 hard-boiled eggs, which will make 24 halves. 3 tablespoons of mayo, but also
But also, this is not mayo, this is the bacon.
3 slices of bacon crispy cooked. That's more than 3. We like bacon. I also need 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. Softened.
Softened. It's been sitting out.
Green onions again, so you might as well make both recipes.
Oh.
Of course, that's jalapeno poppers.
Kind of the key ingredient in the jalapeno popper eggs.
If I do say so myself.
Which she did.
I didn't. He just said it.
But first, we are going to take a tablespoon of the shredded cheese, put it on a cookie sheet, which has parchment paper on it. That is also key.
So you don't stick.
And we are going to bake that to make some cheese crisps.
Crisps.
Cheese crisps at 400 degrees in the oven.
After our eggs.
Eggs are half. Eggs are mashed once again.
Ooh.
Now,
1 cup of mayo. Is that
3 tablespoons.
Oh, tablespoons. While you do that, am going to chop 1 jalapeno finely, and then the other one's going to be for garnish. So we're going to do thin slices for this one. Salt and pepper.
Ladies and gentlemen, salt and pepper!
Push it real
good.
So far, my ranking is everything bagel #1.
Absolutely.
And the ranch.
There's only been 2, so it's not that hard to rank right now.
Yeah.
A lot of this guy. Spacing 7 to 8 minutes. Let's stay on a baking sheet until cooled, but still arrival cheese crisp, hot paper, and cool completely on a wire rack.
Would you like to share with the audience what next steps are?
So, the cheese crisps are gone, and now they need to cool for a couple minutes, and we're going to then break them up and put them on the end.
Okay, great. Let's do it.
Push it real good.
This is peak millennial core. All right.
These are going to be the best ones.
They
I know.
are.
I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. I'd be done already.
We did good. Phone eats first.
What did you say?
Phone eats first?
What does that mean?
I thought you were a millennial.
I am, but I'm an old woman.
I'm like on the cusp.
What's after you?
Gen Z?
Who is it? Gen Alpha.
Is that before you?
That's the ones that have the new skibbity dibbity language.
Skibbity toilet?
Whatever. Did you see skibbity toilet?
Yes.
Is that what they say?
Wait, have you heard the SpongeBob? Big guy. SpongeBob. Pants okay. You want to be Gen Alpha and you don't know that song?
Just because
That
I wanna
Ice Spice
be.
song?
No.
SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
You have a weird fascination with SpongeBob.
Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
Cheese crisp. There's no way you need that much cheese crisp.
No.
They're not gonna fit on an egg.
Also, we made half the cheese crisps and still
And still have enough.
have enough. Sometimes our measurements are off, which is why you come straight to the source, which is us.
We are a good source. Cooks?
Eaters?
Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
Talk amongst yourselves while we do this.
Look at this. Delish. Claire went with the round jalapeno.
Round. Jalapeno
I went with the
round.
chopped. And? It's good.
The whole leg?
Oh, those are spicy. Jalapeno. I feel like they could use like a little something on top.
Something on top. top.
There's a lot of
There's a lot on top. You know what might be good is a little bit of ranch seasoning in these. Like it needs salt.
It needs something in the mix a little bit more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it. I'm going off script. I'm gonna go off script for 1 second. And if you just heard that,
What was that?
I think there was a sonic boom. I'm still not sure which one I like the best. I wanted to like these a little bit more.
I did too.
I think they're just too plain inside and all the flavors with everything going on.
I agree.
OMG. Look at that. Delish.
Wow, that's new. You've never lifted the camera.
Yeah, we've learned. We spill everything. What is your rank?
I think my number 1 is everything bagel seasoning.
I would agree.
2 is jalapeno popper.
I would agree.
And then the ranch.
I would agree. We are on the same page. Very fun, very delicious.
Thanks for joining us.
A great treat to make for the upcoming holiday.
Now
which
we have
is-
a lot of eggs.
And now we get to eat.
Friends today.
All right. Well, nice job there. And until episode 12. See ya.
See ya.